Hello South Africa. Today is Monday, November 14, 2022, and here are the top 5 stories that have made headlines for today. FlySafair plane left mangled after collision with SAA jet. An unfortunate collision between two planes on the runway at OR Tambo this weekend has left one of the jets involved with a significant amount of damage. The tail cone of a Boeing aircraft, belonging to FlySafair, was clattered by the wingtip of an SAA Airbus. The two planes were on the runway at the airport in Johannesburg. It was the SAA jet that was on the move, with the FlySafair plane stationary. Investigators are yet to fully determine what actually caused the collision, but it's thought a broken tow bar is largely to blame. Neighbor's pit bull mauls to death 8-year-old boy. A pit bull was reportedly shot dead after it mauled to death an 8-year-old child in Vista Park, Bloemfontein. This is according to Bloemfontein SPCA, who responded to the scene on Saturday, November 12. According to Bloemfontein SPCA, the boy was bitten to death in front of the garage in the Bloemfontein residence. The SPCA said due to the unique circumstances, the pit bull was shot and later passed away due to the injuries inflicted by the firearm. Physical Sciences Paper 2 to be written on Monday erroneously released. Umalusi, the Council for Quality Assurance in General and Further Education and Training, says it is concerned about the erroneous release of Physical Sciences Paper 2 meant to be written on Monday, November 14. The error was reportedly made by the South African Comprehensive Assessment Institute, SAA, on Friday, November 11, 2022. Umalusi said SAA released two papers prematurely, which are Physical Sciences Paper 2 and Life Sciences Paper 1, which are scheduled to be written on November 14 and November 18, respectively. Flooded roads to avoid in Tshwane. The City of Tshwane Emergency Services Department has urged motorists to find alternative routes as most roads and bridges are flooded. Torrential rains have been pouring in parts of Gauteng and have caused damage in parts of Tshwane. According to the City of Tshwane Emergency Services Department, the disruptive rain experienced in various parts of the country in the past few days saw multiple incidents of flooding be reported to their call center. First trans woman to undergo I6 HOSA initiation rite. An out-of-ordinary event has become the center of attention as the first trans woman undergoes ISI-HOSA initiation rite this summer. Born a boy, Kwengla Titi, a proud trans woman from Eastern Cape, is set to go to the mountain to undergo circumcision and return as a graduate of the tradition. This traditional rite of passage to manhood will take place later this month after the 18-year-old grade 11 pupil from Tembeleta High School in Cons has completed her exams. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.